Many crypto projects eventually face the same challenge. They need to send tokens to dozens or even hundreds of wallet addresses. But not every wallet receives the same amount. Some wallets might receive 100 tokens, others might receive 50, and some may receive much smaller allocations. Trying to send all of these manually can quickly become confusing and risky. In this video, we'll look at how to safely send different token amounts to multiple wallets using a batch transfer workflow. Sending tokens manually to multiple wallets can create several problems. First, there is the risk of copy and paste mistakes when entering wallet addresses. Second, it's easy to send the wrong amount of tokens to a recipient. And third, sending transactions one by one can take a significant amount of time. When projects are distributing rewards, contributor payments, or airdrops, this process becomes very inefficient. Batch transfer workflows help solve this problem. And before we continue, if you enjoy practical crypto tutorials like this, consider subscribing to My Crypto View for more guides on blockchain tools and workflows. One of the easiest ways to handle token distributions is by using a multisender workflow. Multisenders allow projects to prepare a wallet list with token allocations and execute the transfers in a structured process. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate the workflow using the AI multisender on My Crypto View. This example will show how projects can distribute tokens to many wallets while assigning different token amounts to each address. Let's walk through how the batch transfer workflow works. The process is simple and follows a few clear steps. Each step will appear on screen so you can follow the process easily. Step 1. Connect your wallet to the multisender interface. This allows the system to interact with your wallet when executing the token distribution. Step 2. Select the blockchain network and the token you want to distribute. Make sure the correct token and network are selected before continuing. Step 3. Prepare a wallet list that includes the recipient addresses and the token amounts assigned to each wallet. This list defines how many tokens each recipient will receive. Step 4. Upload the wallet list into the interface. This allows the system to read the wallet addresses and token allocations automatically. Step 5. Carefully review the wallet addresses and token amounts. This step ensures that every recipient receives the correct allocation. Step 6. Once everything looks correct, execute the transaction. The system will process the distribution and send the tokens to all listed wallets. Batch distribution workflows help reduce mistakes when sending tokens to multiple recipients. Instead of entering each wallet address and amount manually, projects can review the full distribution list before executing the transaction. This makes it easier to verify the wallet addresses and token allocations in advance. Batch workflows also save time, especially when sending tokens to large communities. For projects managing airdrops, contributor payments, or reward programs, this approach makes token distribution much more efficient. Sending different token amounts to multiple wallets doesn't have to be complicated. Batch transfer workflows allow projects to prepare a wallet list, review token allocations, and execute distributions safely. This approach reduces manual errors, saves time, and makes large token distributions easier to manage. Whether you're handling airdrops, contributor payments, presale allocations, or community rewards, multi-sender workflows provide a much safer and more efficient way to distribute tokens.